Hi guys, this is Allie Lily, owner of Lash Anarchist. I'm super excited today. We're going to be talking about how to become a lash artist. I got into lashes because my mom did lashes and I was a cocktail server and I hated serving. I was the worst server in the world. I wear my emotions on my sleeve. So if I'm annoyed with the table, they will know. Anyway, so I saw my mom making all this money and it was way more than I was making in an 8-hour shift, but she would make it in like 5 hours. And her job looked so fun that I decided that I would get into lashes. So I went to school, started doing lashes. I had my own space, then I started a salon, then I started training people in the lash industry, and then I started a lash line. And that's where we are today, and I want to help you get started on your lash journey. If you want more videos like these and tips and tricks on how to do lashes, then hit the subscribe button, follow me, and if you want to do me a really big favor, please like this video and comment and share with your friends. All right, fuck it, let's have fun. All right, so step one, if you want to be a lash artist, I always recommend going and watching somebody do lashes. Ask somebody you know that is a lash artist, or watch some videos on YouTube or whatever, and make sure that this is something that you really want to get into, because a lot of people think it's a side gig, but it's not. It's a career, so make sure it's something that you love. If you love doing little detailed tasks, for example, I like drawing, or in hair school, I liked cutting hair. I liked little detailed things, okay? So if that's something that you like to do, then you'll probably pick up lashes and you'll probably love it. So that would be step number one, in my opinion, is go and shadow an actual lash artist and see if it's something that you would really enjoy. That's kind of how I got started. I shadowed my mom a few times and I realized that it was something that I think I would really love. All right, step two. You're going to want to get a license. Look into the regulations in the state that you are going to be working in. Some states require licenses and some states don't. So in my state, in Arizona, you have to either have a cosmetologist or an aesthetics license. Step three, go to fucking school. Choose the best school, and I'm just going to give you this piece of advice. Go to a bunch of different schools and see which one is going to fit your lifestyle a little bit better. They have all different types of schedules at different schools, so make sure you're going to find one that fits in with your current work schedule, and it can be something that you can do at the same time as your current job. All right, once you have graduated that school and you have your professional license, step four, I lost my place. The next step that you're going to make, and I'm not going to keep track of the steps anymore because I've totally lost track, but the next step that you're going to make is you are going to go and practice on your friends. You're going to practice on your friends, your family, your mom, your dog, literally anybody that will let you put your hands on their eyes. You practice on that person, because guess what's going to happen? They're going to go out and they're going to be your little walking billboards, and people are going to be like, oh my god, who did your lashes? And you're going to be like, oh, Allie Lily did, and they're going to want to get their lashes done by you. That is how you start. That's how you build a clientele. Okay, you're also going to get practice from that, and then you're also going to get evidence that you do lashes, because you're going to want to build an online portfolio in the way of having a website, an Instagram, a TikTok, all of the fucking things. Okay, so that leads me to the next step, which is you are going to take pictures and videos of everything you do. And you're not going to just do this for social media and for proof that you do lashes, but you're going to do it to keep for yourself too, so that you can see the ways that you've improved. One of the best things that I ever did for myself when I was doing lashes is I kept photos so that I could go back and I could look at the progress that I made, but also at other people's work too. I know everybody says don't compare your work, but in this case you really should compare your work. So what I would do is I would take my lash photo and I'd put it up next to somebody else's that I admired, and I would spot the differences. And I'd be like, why does her inner corners look a million times better than mine, and what can I do to change that, basically. And so I'd find little things and I would kind of pick my photos apart, yeah, and it would just make me better as an artist. So I totally recommend doing that as well. Next step, you're gonna wanna find a place to do lashes. You're either going to find a salon that you can work for and gain that experience, get clientele, and build up, or you are going to work for yourself. You can work from home, you can rent out a space, you can do whatever. Before you do rent out a space and work for yourself, you're gonna need to get an LLC, and you're going to have to get insurance. So I recommend hands-on insurance. It's a really simple one, it's super cheap, whatever. Just make sure your shit is all set up and your ducks are in a row so that your nosy little neighbor next door doesn't go and tell on you for operating illegally. Okay, you're welcome. Finally, my last piece of advice is to take courses. You're going to want to continue your education through the rest of your lash career. You're gonna wanna take classes from experienced lash artists who have been where you've been before and they have set themselves apart in the industry. You wanna learn from the best. So continue to take classes, technique classes, take business classes, take anything that you need to up your game and never stop. Alright guys, that about sums it up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you got all the questions answered that you were looking for. If you do have more questions, however, you can hit me up on Instagram at Lash Anarchist, or you can head over to our website to check out some freebies and trainings and my product line that I offer at www.lashanarchist.com. And again, if you want to follow me here, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you next time.